In this short video, I'm going to walk you through the steps that it takes to put in VoiceThread activity inside of your AsULearn course. And the first thing I've done is gone to a course where I'm in the teacher role. I'm going to click on the gear menu up in the top right hand corner and select Turn Editing On. Next, I'm going to scroll down to the section I want to add this activity, and I'm going to click on Add an Activity or Resource. And within this menu, I'm going to scroll down to VoiceThread and then click the Add button at the bottom. In the setup page here, most of the defaults are probably going to work for you. I'm going to go ahead and put in an activity name. You can click through many of these, but the one I think is most important is if you plan to make this a graded activity, pay some attention to the grade here, what your maximum grade is, which category you're putting this into. Keep in mind that we do recommend you choose from the point value range instead of making this a credit no credit activity. I'm going to click on Save and Return to the course. Next, I'm going to see that in this topic I have a sample VoiceThread activity here. I'm going to click on that. Now I'm out at the VoiceThread side of this, and at this setup menu I have a decision to make. The course view, individual VoiceThread link, and then the home page are all options that just redirect this link. They're not set up to be graded items. However, if you want to create an assignment with this VoiceThread, you will choose the activity builder. So these can be very useful as well, but what I'm going to highlight is the assignment builder, because that's the one that has the additional next step. So now I have to select which type of assignment this is. One of the things that in this current version of VoiceThread that can be a little frustrating is once you make a decision, you can't go back and edit that decision. The simpler step is just to delete the VoiceThread and start over from scratch. So think a little bit about how you want students to earn credit for this assignment. This one is to create a VoiceThread of their own. This one is to set up comments, a number of comments that they have to put on the VoiceThread in order to receive credit. And then this option is simply to watch a VoiceThread from start to finish. I would mention that if you choose watch a VoiceThread from start to finish, you might want to remind your students that they need to watch every second of the VoiceThread from start to finish at normal speed, or it will not show up as them earning credit. So once you select one of these options, now it's going to go out and it's going to give you the option of either selecting one of the VoiceThreads you've already created or to create a new VoiceThread here. Once you have an assignment and you've created it and you've put it out there for students to earn credit on it, when you go back into the VoiceThread, you'll see on this side of your screen all of the students and their status, and you'll be able to award them points over here if you've chosen the assignment builder option. So I hope that helps.